Hi, if you're interested in learning more about Chinese culture or daily life in China, click the subscribe and follow us here. Or if you just want to follow our cute family, that's really great too. Click the subscribe. Thanks. So the story goes that Chris was walking to school one day when we were living in Shanghai, and he sees this grandmother every morning pass by with her granddaughter, and eventually starts to speak with her and strikes up a friendship. And this grandmother invited us over for a meal one day. And we got there and the conversation was good, the food was good. In fact, the food was great. And one of the things that I enjoyed the most was this cucumber dish that she made. So I asked her if she would teach me how to make it. And I wanted to know how to make some real authentic Chinese food. And what I learned that day, I'm gonna teach you today. So let's go to the store and check it out right now and buy the supplies for it. And then we'll come back and make it together. I feel like Paula Deen. Are you excited to make some dishes? Yeah? Okay, I've just left the entrance of our xiaochu, of our apartment complex, and made a new friend, the guard. And I'll kind of pan around here a little bit, and then I'm gonna go across the street to this grocery store. So let's go on. I think this particular store is really nice. It's got the little blower things that come on sometimes and keep the veggies fresh. Oh, they're on. I love these things. You see that? Oh, so fresh. So I'm gonna buy a couple of cucumbers, which I think look a little different here. They're pretty long. So those are our cucumbers. Let's find some garlic. Garlic's right below. So I'm just gonna buy a couple of bulbs of garlic, and then I gotta find the oils for us. Okay, I didn't know the name of the oil, but she came to my rescue and helped me out finding the oil. So here we are, we're gonna get ready and check out. Say hi! Buy all our stuff.
香蕉对吧？
对. Okay, now that we've bought our supplies, we're gonna head home and chop them all up and stick them in the fridge for a few minutes before we eat dinner. Hopefully the kids will go for them today. Okay, now I've come back from the store and I've set up all of our stuff here, and of course I made it look pretty because it's a cooking show for you today, so it's nice and clean and set up for you. But what I'm gonna do is just cut these here, and then as soon as I'm done with cutting these up, I'm gonna stick them in my bowl, and then I'm gonna cut up my garlic, and then I'll come back to you when we add our sauces so you know just how much sauces to put in. So here. So we're gonna start with our sesame oil, and this has got its name from sesame, but it smells really good. It's like the smell of Chinese food. And so it doesn't take a lot of this just to get that flavor in there. So I'm just gonna stick probably 1/4 of a cup in. And then soy sauce. So I'm probably gonna put the same amount that I put of the sesame oil on it. And then we're done. That is it. That's the whole thing. We're gonna get a close up. That is it. So I'm gonna stir it around, make sure all the juices are together. I'm gonna throw it in the fridge and let it chill a little while because I think it's better when it's cold. And then we'll try it on our kids and see how they like it. You like it? Mm-hmm. You like it, Titi?